Hello friends, welcome to my video. Please hit the subscribe button to get updates. Let's start the experiment. I'm using dollar for the experiment. Use dropper to put water on the coins. Keep adding water, one drop at a time. Keep counting the drops. Stop when water spills over the coin. Ow! I can fit 29 drops on the coin. It's fun! Let's try another time with soapy water. Uh-oh! I can fit only 19 drops this time. Let's explore more with different coins. Please do try this experiment at home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit the subscribe button to support. Until next time, I'm Zooming.